గారు శ్రీ ఎస్ఏఎం రిజ్వి గారిని ఈ 40th జవహర్లాల్ నెహ్రూ డిస్ట్రిక్ట్ లెవెల్ సైన్స్ ఎగ్జిబిషన్ గురించి కొన్ని ముఖ్యమైన సూచనలు పిల్లలకు ఉపాధ్యాయులకు ఇవ్వాల్సిందిగా కోరుచున్నాం.
President of today's function, DEO garu, Malla Reddy garu, Dr. B.N. Reddy garu, other dignitaries on the days, teachers, parents, students, very good morning to all of you. I am very happy to participate here today in the inaugural of the 40th Jawaharlal Nehru Science and Environment Exhibition for Children. Our country has a long tradition of rich learning, knowledge, culture and civilization. However, if we look at the nature, the type of knowledge, the type of learning that has been traditionally there in our country from the ancient times till the most recent times, we will find that there is a lot of emphasis on theoretical learning. Of course, it is not to say that there was never any practical science in our country. Our country has had practical science in the past also, but in my opinion, large emphasis has been placed in our country on theoretical sciences, theoretical learning. When it comes to practical learning, for some reason, our schools, our institutions of higher education also, they have been lagging behind. I myself have gone through an education in science, and I can say from personal experience that much more emphasis was paid in theoretical aspects than it was on practical aspects. And children also, they learn, they imbibe the kind of thrust and focus that is being given by teachers as regards the emphasis on different aspects. And so when teachers don't give emphasis on practical learning, children also don't pay attention to practical learning. So they will also focus on theory. Anything that has to do with manual work, that is basically ignored or it is underemphasized. So consequently today in our country, if we see these different sectors of economy, we will find that the manufacturing sector is not able to pick up as fast as the services sector is picking up, because services sector relies mostly on theoretical knowledge, whereas manufacturing sector relies on the practical knowledge. So that's why, the reason, in my opinion, why manufacturing sector is not able to pick up is because of the seeds that were sown in the inception of young boys and girls, where we don't focus on practical knowledge. And therefore, I am very happy that this science fair is being taken up year after year at the district level, at the state level, to encourage the development and liking towards practical aspects of science in children. I am sure that when children learn to do things with their own hand, they will develop a different kind of orientation. They will develop a liking for manufacturing, for industry, and I am sure that will contribute to the well-rounded growth of our economy. So once again, I would like to thank the organizers for giving me this opportunity, and I am hopeful that in the years to come, we will catch up in the manufacturing sector also with the rest of the world. Thank you.